Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Richie Kotzen, and you are watching a demonstration video for this, the Zoom G2R multi-effect signal processor for the electric guitar. But not just any electronic device, my own personal signature model. You see, what I have done is I've programmed 20 of my own settings into this box and made them available to you, the public. In this video, I will demonstrate all 20 of my presets. Let's begin now. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, my demonstration for my personal signature model G2R Zoom Multi-Effects Signal Processor. I hope that you found this video extremely informative. If you have the pedal, it will bring you hours and hours of pleasure. And if you don't have it and thinking about buying it, perhaps you will now after watching this. At any rate, I will see you in your city from the stage. And until then, peace and love. Cheers.